is storming. Just got here, I think it's like 7. What time is it? 7?
Morning.
This is gonna be fun, huh?
I'm excited.
Were you here for the hair?
I might have been walking in it. I don't know. I was getting hit with some hard stuff.
Jeez.
A little wet.
Yeah. This guy's like this, I don't think it'll be too bad. If it like starts down for you again.
Yeah. I want to go before that.
Yeah. You walked it?
Yeah.
Like,
Did you?
it seems like there is grip, like really close to the edge of the track.
That's what I've noticed. It's like
Really close to the edge.
like put your insides in the dirt.
Yeah. And yeah, because this track is ran in both directions, plus drifting, like
Yeah.
everywhere is rubbered in.
It's random.
A few spots, like turn 1, I think, what is that down there? Tree,
I don't know.
I don't know. That one, they have like this extra pavement going way out.
Yep.
So I think, like Robert was saying, you beat that and go all the way up to that grippy pavement, get the car just quick.
It was like
pivoted
hard
around.
pivot. Yep.
Yep.
I don't know.
The rest of it's going to be like winging it. I don't know. Just don't. A lot to lose,
Yeah, I know.
little to win here.
Yep. Back at you. We're gonna do some movie magic because I forgot to film this morning. We're at Hallett Hallett Motor Racing Circuit. It sounds very British. Wait, Alex, can you say the name of the speedway we're at?
Hallett Motor Racing Circuit.
Thank you. Perfect. We have 2 theoretically time attack segments today, and then we drive. It's only 4 hours, like a little over 200 miles up to Kansas. I'm doing the thing. I used to watch these documentaries of Andy dragging out, not knowing where he was, and now I'm doing it.
Yeah. You know what day it is?
It's Wednesday. Did you bring your coat? Did you get stuck on the last lap?
On 2
Gear?
Coming into turn 1 on my first full lap. So
On the first lap.
not the out lap.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Like my last 2 laps were fifth gear. Just a dog out of half the corners, especially like the 3 or whatever back here.
It seemed the same until all of a sudden it was like I was way closer. And then I got excited and I started overdriving, and any amount of time that I gained because I saw you coming was like lost because I fucking blew it. That sucks.
I could still be.
Did you try drive?
Yeah, didn't work either. I tried drive actually after some like 5th gear, whatever. It's raining. Just get on throttle. I'm a dog out of a couple of the corners, but it was easier to drive because you're not on power and whatever. Less dramatic. But it was fun. Like
It was cool.
the first lap, like the car's controllable. Like I get a little oversteer, but I can manage throttle really nicely.
Yeah.
I had decent, surprisingly more grip than I thought, even on the race line. Maybe it's just because the significant difference between a race line and rain line is like not much. There's a couple spots
Well,
you like
also
really could hang wide, so there's really not a significant line to be on.
Right.
Use the track maybe, but I don't know. It was fun. Frustrating to be in 5th on a couple of digs, but it sucks. I just need to be close second.
Everything was great except power down. It's just so much power, and the moment you break it, it's gone forever. It'll just keep wheel speed. It'll just gain. I'll be going 165 wheel speed, going nowhere.
here.
Oh no shit.
Who made it?
Is that the guy from YouTube? I'm not gonna lie, we've been doing a whole lot of nothing today because we had a giant storm delay. What are you, cold?
I've got the chills.
They're multiplying?
Yeah.
Are you losing control?
Because I couldn't think of the rest of the lyrics.
After a long delay, they finally just finished the morning runs. So the results are in. We are first and second. I got first. Andy and SuperK got second because he got stuck in fifth gear again, unfortunately. He would have wiped the floor with all of us if he was not. So, but they are going to try to cram in the afternoon session as well. So some bad weather on the way. We're just hoping that we can get out of here in time to drive 4 hours up to Kansas and have a nice dinner. Alex, I don't know the details. Did you guys do anything on the car to try to alleviate the shifting? Just
drive it.
fingers crossed?
Yeah. That was from one side.
You can do it. Don't do them dirty. I've been trying to include a little bit of the in-car video from every day just so you can see what we're driving, but I know watching laps is not that exciting. And the other interesting part about this weather that we have, the conditions, is just the choices you can make as a driver. I do want to put the side-by-side of Andy and I this morning, running very similar pace, him stuck in fifth, and me trying my best. We basically drove two different tracks, and we came out with the same result, which was really interesting to watch back. I needed to get the car pointed as straight as possible and accelerate down the straightaways as early as possible. And Andy actually had some grip to kind of carry his speed through the corners. He had no power because he's in fifth gear, and we both kind of had to make it work. So I'm going to put that video in, and I think it's pretty cool to watch.
So,
What are you doing?
I'm gonna try staying in fourth, I think, for most of it.
Yeah, I think that'll pay off.
I might give up 5 miles an hour down the straight. And I only have
You're going
to
to gain infinitely more in acceleration rate on the first 100 yards than this top speed.
And it's only, so that straight, I only got to do that 3 times.
Yep.
This one only twice.
Yep.
Once. Because this once. Only once I have to stay in fourth on this straight. The next one I can shift to fifth. And then who cares if I stay in fifth after that?
Yeah, I mean, it was mostly dry. Mostly dry line. It wasn't dry, but...
Right. It was a very... I noticed I couldn't really get close to the apexes still. The car would push, but...
The grip was back, but you couldn't drive in certain spots for sure. It was... That was really interesting. Fun. It was fun to, like, GLTC it. You never really held me up. If anything, you held me from taking a risk that would have maybe regretted, but...
I kind of figured, I'm like, he knows he's got me. There's going to be cars that are getting in the middle right now because it's just getting drier out.
Right.
You know it's getting really dry now.
Right. It's a matter of adaptation.
There's enough gap between me and you now to, like,
It's 9 seconds.
9 seconds?
Yeah.
But then this last group, another one got us. So I think
What were you?
we were 1. I think 4. I think we were 6.
You were 421?
Yeah.
430? That hurts.
We need a little bit of a handicap for the dry skid pad.
Bet you will.
All right, so we're gonna have to wrap this up pretty early because we are already done, and we can get to Topeka by like 6 o'clock. So I think preliminary right now, leaving the track while the track is drying. So this could be literally completely wrong. I was quickest again. SuperK was in 6th. I think Andy felt that the choice to be conservative on gearing was pretty hindering on pace. So it is what it is, but we're only halfway through this week, so anything can happen.